So guys, I just wanted to do a quick read over this Vexels Mesh Digest number 36. So this is the August 2021 version, and I just wanted to pick up some few points that is worth mentioning. So if something you'd like to learn about, keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online vicinity. In today's video, we're going to look at Vexels Mesh Digest number 36. Actually, this is Vexels' 3rd anniversary, so they have some few tips to share with us. So these are the tips that I want to quickly read out to you. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So they say there's something you need to know. The print-on-demand business process takes several basic steps: keyword and niche research, coming up with design ideas, designing, uploading, analyzing what worked and what didn't, and improve on that and repeat. While we already excel at designing solutions, we thought about asking the community, including you, what your biggest struggle when doing merch is. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what your biggest struggle doing merch is. We ran a survey in a community, and the initial results say that finding ideas and inspiration is one of the most prominent difficulties for sellers. And I agree with that. Some people really don't know how to find niches, and that's why I came up with the idea of bringing up top 5 niches of the week, so you guys can get some few ideas that you can run with for the week. And they also say the purpose of our monthly guides is to guide you through the many various situations that you find at different stages of your merch business. And more recently, with our latest website version, you now have access to content groupers that feature collections, designs for niches, and designs in many different styles to further inspire you. Yet we understand that there is more to this business than designs and ideas, and that to become better at it, you need to put time and consistency into it. Yes guys, I totally agree with that. Consistency is key. I always keep on saying it. Even if you're not seeing results, just keep on going. Even if you're in tier 10, I recommend that you focus on the trends, and I usually provide those trends to you every week on Monday. So if that's something you would like to learn more about, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And they said this is something we have discussed in many interviews with sellers who have achieved a degree of success, and it's a common thread that unites them all. Successful sellers enjoy passive income from successful designs and strategies, but they also say there isn't anything passive about the time and work that goes behind it. So if there's something you need to know, is that taking off in this business may take some time, so don't be discouraged. Alright, niches culture. We all know that the Olympics is going on, so that's not strange. It's not a strange niche that you guys are learning about. So they say one of the most popular and less exploited niches out there is the broad culture niche. We see it represented in designs featuring country or cultural elements, including characters to flags and culturally relevant items that seek to strike a chord with a specific audience. Culture tackles a wide range of topics like patriotism, celebration, cultural pride, and also a sense of belonging. Think about the many diasporas in the US and in the Europe, for example. There are many communities of people yearning for their homeland, their roots, and culture. Consider a cultural niche wherever you wish to have many different options to choose from. And stay ahead at national holidays or relevant news from the one you wish to work with. So you can check the culture designs here. So those who have this merch digest, those who are subscribers, by the way, if you want to learn more about Vexels, there's a link down in the description below. You land on my page where you can receive 35% discount. You can only receive that 35% discount on my page and nowhere else. So If you land on Vexels page, it's 25%, but on my page it's 35% discount. So if it's something you would like to consider, there's a link in the description below. So, and if you are subscribed to Vexels, you can click this culture designs and take a look at it. So for those who are not subscribers yet, can just click it and we'll take a look at the culture designs that you're talking about. So let's go back to what we're talking about. All right, so August featured niche is Halloween. Nobody is stranger to that, and I don't think it's early to start making designs for the Halloween, guys. So if you are done making designs for the Olympics and creating designs for all the sports out there in the Olympics, then I think it's time to start creating Halloween designs. Okay, so I was watching the Olympics yesterday, guys. So I didn't even know that sailing was a sport. It was very funny and interesting too. At the same time, how they were sailing the boats and racing with all the other countries. So there are so many sports out there that the countries who are participating in that sport will likely purchase a shirt in that niche. So, or even their parents and their friends, they like to wear something that symbolizes what their friend or their family member is participating in. That's why I say you should try and create niches, try and create designs in all the sports out there, because there's so many opportunities for you to make money. And you should always look at what is making money first before you attempt to make your own design. So that's just a tip out there. And let's continue what I was talking about. So in my previous video, I've always said how I use PSD designs on Vexels to scale up my designs. I've made several videos about that. So this is a PSD of the month horror scalable t-shirt designs. You can just edit it. I usually use this free online tool called Photopea. It's very free, everyone can use it. And when I download a PSD design like this, I edit it in Vexels. So if you haven't watched those videos, I'll recommend that you do. So if you want to check out Halloween designs, just click here for those who are subscribers. And so guys, September's niche opportunity date. So looking ahead, what should we be expecting? So in September 1st, Tofu Day, September 7th, Beer Lovers Day, September 12th, Video Games Day, September 15th, World Afro Day, September 16th, Guacamole Day, September 19th, Talk Like a Pirate Day, September 19th again, World Dream Day. So September is also Ovarian Cancer Awareness Month. It's a very huge niche, this ovarian cancer. So guys, that's why you see this ribbon here, pink ribbon, Survivor. It's a very huge niche, so we can start creating our designs as soon as possible. And so guys, if you found this helpful, if you learned anything new, please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.